Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WordPress booking plugin. Now this particular plugin has been developed to work explicitly with Webkul's booking commerce product. The plugin enables the WordPress admin to add a booking widget to their website in a very simple and an easy way. The admin just has to enter the domain of his booking commerce application, and all of the products or the booking products created by the admin in his booking commerce account get reflected on the widget at the WordPress front end, and the customers can book their slots from the widget accordingly as per their requirement there. Kindly note that to make use of this particular plugin, you'll have to create an account on Booking Commerce where the admin will have to create his booking products for the widget, and those widgets would then be visible on the WordPress front end within that particular widget itself. So in today's video tutorial, I'll be showing you the workflow at the WordPress front end, how the widget would appear to the customers. A booking book now button is available there at the WordPress front end, which has the complete list of booking products that you have created at the booking commerce application end, and all of those booking products are visible within the book now section. And from here the customers can basically book the products as per their requirement there. Apart from that, we'll also be seeing how we can register at the booking commerce. You can try it for free as well. There's a 30-day free trial, and after you've registered, you'll be able to log into your account, as you can see, with your name and the booking commerce domain name there, by entering the email and the password that you would have received after you registered here at the booking commerce website there itself. So before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now you can see that the customers at the WordPress front end would be able to see the particular widget that says book now. If I tap on that, that will bring up the main cover image, the profile image. Right now I am not added any one, so that's why it's empty here. And here you can see that we have the car booking product and introduction booking product. So I have added two test products at the back end of the booking commerce itself, and those products are visible here within the particular WordPress front end widget that we have created itself. So to make a booking, what the user or the customer needs to do is he needs to tap here on this particular right arrow, and that will bring up the details of the particular booking product, as you can see. So here you can also see the location of the particular booking product, and if you tap on the get directions, you will be able to see the particular location of the particular booking product there. And to make a booking, what you need to do is you need to choose your time zone as per your location there. After choosing time zone, you have to select the slots, so you'll have to tap here and you'll have to select the particular slots here. So if I tap here, I can see the complete list of slots that are available for this particular booking, and I can choose any one of these slots to make a booking. So for example, let's go with the 11th of this month, and let's tap here on the proceed button. So here you can see that we have selected this slot as for the 11th of the month, and the timing is between 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. The time zone is Asia, Calcutta. The guest is 1, the price is 122, the subtotal is 132, and the total is $132 there for this particular booking. Then we have to enter the personal information here of the customer. So for example, let's enter it as Peter and the email as peter@webkul.in. We can enter the telephone number of the customer as well, and then we can tap here on the proceed button. So here we have selected the particular slot. Here we are having the slot details. Here we are having the personal information of the user or the customer. We can change it by tapping on the change option as well. The same goes with the slot. If you want to change it, you can tap here on the change option. And then we have the payment process section, wherein we have the option to pay at the as cash on the venue itself, and then we can tap on the proceed button to place the particular order for the booking product there. So you can see that the booking has been submitted. We have the booking date as 11th of the July 2022, and the tracking ID is also visible to the customers here as well, right? So that's how easily the users would be able to access your WordPress front end, and on your WordPress front end they'll find this particular widget here for the book now, and from there they'll be able to see the complete booking products that the admin has created under his booking commerce application end. So this widget fetches all of those booking products from the booking commerce end and displays them within this particular widget on your WordPress website there, and the customers can easily make a booking for the same. Now to know more about how to register for the booking commerce, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video. Within that you'll be able to see how we can try it for free and how we can register ourselves at the booking commerce end. And after we have registered, we'll be able to log into our account by entering the email address, password and tapping on the login button thereafter. After login, we'll be able to see the dashboard here. As you can see, the same details are given within the user guide as well that I've attached within the description of this particular video. To create the booking products, you need to go to the booking products section, and here you'll find the complete list of booking products that you've already created. So here you can see that we have the introduction booking and the car booking product, one day booking type, and one is the appointment type. And if we go to the front end, here we are having the car booking and the introduction booking products within this particular widget here. That's the book now one, the car booking and the introduction booking product. The same are visible here in the back end of the booking commerce as well. Now to add a booking product, what you need to do is you need to tap here on the add booking product at the booking commerce end, and here you'll be able to see different tabs and you'll be able to create a booking product or service of any of the existing categories or professions as per your own requirement there. So here you have to give the product information, set up the pricing rules, set the location, availability, override specific days, custom information, and custom fields can be created for the booking product as well as per your own requirement there. So I've already created one booking product there, that's the car booking product. So let's edit it up. So I'll just tap here on the edit booking product, and under the product information you can see that I've given the title as car booking product. As the description, I've chosen the category of the particular one of this particular booking product type, that is the demo category. I uploaded the profile image, the product image, then we have the public URL has been set up /AST. I've assigned to a member there. I've set the slot price as 122. I've enabled it up. I've enabled the continue booking as well, and then we have set the booking type as single user booking here. So basically what we need to do is for the product information, we'll give the title, description, we'll choose the category of the booking product, we'll upload the profile image, the product image, we'll set the public URL here, we'll assign it to a member, we'll set the slot price, then we'll enable it up by tapping this button here. We'll tap here on continue booking. By tapping here on the continue, this option allows continue taking bookings of the product there. Then we have the booking type. You can choose it as single user booking or multi-user booking. So the single user booking, in this booking type you have to select this. If you select this type of booking type, if you want to allow only one customer to book a slot at a time, if you choose the multi-user booking, then if you select this booking type, then you'll be able to offer the same time and date slot to multiple customers as well. Thus you can allow more than one customer to book a single slot at a time if you choose this as multi-user booking. Otherwise, single user would be able to choose the same, would be able to book a slot at a time. Multi-user booking, the same slot can be or the date slot can be given to the multiple customers as well. So I have chosen it as single user booking for the time period there. Then we have the variations. Under the variations, you can add the variations as well, and you can add more fields with additional price options for your customers there. Then we have the pricing rules. Under the pricing rules, you can choose for weekdays, date range, and shift wise. For weekdays, you can choose the weekdays. and set the slot price, the slot price or the slot price percentage, and you can tap here on the add button to add that one to this particular section here. So here you can see that for the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, we have given this added the $10 as the pricing there, more pricing there for the particular slots there. Then we have the location. On the location, we'll be able to specify your location preferences. So here you can set up the service side on the admin side, and here you have to choose the location where you want to provide the service. So we have given it as location as California. The same is visible here within the booking product as well. If we go to the booking product and I tap here, we can see the location as California, and we can get the directions to the same as well. Then we have the on customer side as well. We can set it as to customer side as well, and if the service requires shipping, we can choose the shipping required as well, and we can set up the shipping amount for the same as per the requirement that itself, right? Then we have the availability. So here you have to select a date range, enable the weekdays for your booking product, and let the customers book your service for the day. So you can select the duration and the lead days. So here you have to enter under the lead days basically, or first we have to select duration. So here you have to set the duration for your booking product, and kindly note that if no duration is set, then the booking product will be always available. Then we have the lead days. Under the lead days, you have to enter the number of days you want to close the booking starting from the current date, or in other words, the lead days is the number of days after which the customer would be allowed to book a product. Suppose it's 15th of the month today, for which the product is available for booking, and you set the lead days as 2, then the product would be unavailable for the 15th and the 16th of the month itself. Then you have to select the days on which the booking product will be available. So select the weekdays on which the product would be available there. You can also set up the override specific days here by choosing select particular date or select duration. You can choose the duration, select in which form do you want to get the information from your customers there, select the action as well. Then we have the customer information. Here you can set the title for the customer information, the description for the same, and then we have the custom fields wherein you can set up the title and the input type of the particular custom field that you are going to create. So here you have to enter the title of the custom field. Here you have to select in which form do you want to get the information from your customers, whether it would be text area, choice, or select button there. And you can also make the fields as mandatory for the customers to select before they proceed further to make a booking for the product there. So after you have done with these configuration settings for the booking product there, you have to tap here on the save button, or you can view it in the front end as well for the booking commerce end. And under the product information, or you can also create the booking product by just giving the product information, variations, pricing, location, and tapping on the save button as well as per your own requirement. Otherwise, if I go to the booking products, I tap here on the add. That was about how we can edit the booking product and the different information that we have on the booking product page itself. So for the new booking product, if you're going to create, you have to just give the product information, set the pricing rule for whether it's for weekdays, date range, shift wise, set the location, choose the availability. So here you can choose one day booking, appointment type, rent type with time, concert type with time. So as per your requirement, you can choose the booking time, booking type, availability here for the booking product type as per your own requirement there. And from the form section, you can choose, for example, if it's the appointment, then you have to give the details of the appointment there. Here you can see the per booking time is there, the rest time is between the booking slots is there. We also have the advanced option there. As you can see, for each day of the week, we can set the time duration and per booking time there for the booking slot. So for more information on how to create the booking product type, you can check the user guide that I have attached within the description of this particular video there. So this was about how we can add the booking. Now to check the booking orders, we can go to the bookings section. So we had placed the order as Peter Doe. Here's Peter. Peter at webkul.in. Car booking was done for 11th of July, 1 day booking. The booking amount was $132. The payment status is pending. The status is unapproved. From here we can edit the booking or view it in the front end as well. So if we edit it up, we can view the details of the booking with the tracking ID, booking date, booking status, booking time zone, the customer details on the right hand side, about the product. As you can see, the payment details are payment method as cash on venue, the payment status is pending, and the grand total is $132. So from here the admin of the booking commerce would be able to basically reschedule the booking as well and can approve the booking as per the requirement there. So the booking status is unapproved right now. We can approve it as well by tapping on the approve, or we can reschedule it up as well. To reschedule, I'll just tap here on the reschedule. I'll tap here, I'll choose the date, I'll choose it as 19th, and I'll tap here on the reschedule. So the booking would be rescheduled, and you can see that from 11th it's the booking date has been set to 19th of July 2022. To approve the booking, I can tap here on the approve. Yes, I'm sure to approve this booking. The booking status is approved. As you can see, the booking has been successfully approved there, right? So this was how the booking commerce admin would be able to approve the booking and reschedule the booking from the backend there, and how to create the booking product under the booking product section, and how we can view the particular booking products as well. So here you can create the booking products by tapping on the add booking product, and under the bookings you can basically check the complete list of bookings that have been made for the different booking products there, and from here you can approve the bookings, and you can reschedule the bookings as per your own requirement as well. Apart from that, the admin can also make the booking from the backend by tapping here on the make booking button, and tapping that up would bring up this particular section where we have to enter the customer name, email, phone number. We have to choose the slot for the particular booking product type. So here we'll choose the particular booking product. So I'll choose car booking product time. I'll choose the customer time zone. I'll select the date. I'll tap here on the add slot. Selected booking slot has been selected, as you can see, and then we can tap here on the book slot button to book the particular slot on the behalf of the customer there. So you can see that another one for Peter Doe for $132 for the 7th of on the 7th of July has been created there, right? So the order has been created on the behalf of the customer there. Now if you go to the booking section, here we can see the car booking for the 20th July has been created by the admin on the behalf of the customer there. So this was the workflow at the booking commerce end. Now let's see how we can configure this particular plugin in the initial place. So for that, what you need to do is, after you successfully install the WordPress booking plugin in your WordPress backend, what you need to do is you need to navigate to settings, and then here you will have the booking option. So you'll have to go to the booking option. Now under the booking option, here you'll find the booking widget settings, wherein you can make use of the this particular code to add it directly to a particular template, or you can directly add it from the widget section as well by going to appearance, widgets, and on the widgets page, here you have the booking widget. You can select the booking widget for the blog sidebar, footer 2 as per your own requirement there. We have set it to the blog sidebar, so that's why this particular one is here visible here on the sidebar on the right hand side there at the WordPress front end there. Now let's come back to the settings and booking section. You can also use the shortcode inside your page or articles, and you can enable this widget within your page and articles as well using this particular shortcode. That's the book_widget. And here you have to enter the booking commerce domain name. So here you can see that I've entered the booking commerce domain name. As you can see, the same domain name is visible here as well. Let me show you that. This is the domain name basically. So I'll cancel this out. I have to copy this up, and I have to paste this one at the booking commerce domain name section, and then I have to tap here on the save changes button to save the changes there for the booking commerce domain name. So yes, that was much about the WordPress booking plugin, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the workflow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding the same, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.uvidesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.